Hello, my name is Bradley Bolivar, and this is my scientific poster major assignment. It is based on the article An Integrative Framework for Mapping the Psychological Landscape of Risk Perception. The authors are Sarah C. Jenkins, Robert F. Laughlin, and Magda Osman. The study looks at why people view risk differently and what characteristics, be it age, their view of the world, or just how they grew up, their background, what factors into people seeing risk differently. The method that they used to do this is they got 1,005 people from around the United Kingdom, surveyed them on their personalities, how they grew up, all that stuff. And then they got 54 objects and products, and they asked those people to rate 9 of them on an 11-point scale, or on 11 different risk factors on a 7-point scale of how they viewed the risk of each object. And overall, this showed how uh, different people viewed risk and how they viewed different objects. The purpose of my poster is to explain how uh, risk perception is different with all people, because everybody has different personalities, has different backgrounds, and I tried to make it as understandable as possible and easy as possible to read. If I had a place that I had to present it would be at a behavioral science conference or a psychology conference, probably a behavioral science conference, because this risk is mostly behavioral science. My audience would be college students and professors and researchers mostly. Some normal people would also, it's pretty easy to understand the concept of this, so normal people would be able to understand this as well. And that's what I made it pretty simple to understand when you read. The rhetorical and my design choices, I chose a traditional format. I didn't really elevate it as much. I have my introduction, my objective, my methodology, my hypothesis and graphs, my results, and a conclusion. I have some taking from the CRAPS principles. I left some white space. I think I did a pretty good job of that over different areas. I picked this color scheme because I think it's easy to look at, and the white and blue's nice, and I think everything aligns well together. Uh, some constraints that were I had were that there was a lot of data in the article and it was long, so I tried to find the most important points and keep it simple. I tried to not use a lot of language to understand when reading and writing it, and I try to keep everything easy and quick to read, and I try to make it a poster that's super quick that you can read under a minute 30. And that's my poster major assignment. Thank you.